Hi everyone, like all my videos I will get to the point in first 30 seconds. After that, if you want to continue to watch the video, please do so, but I'm going to tell you what exactly I'm going to do in this video in the first 30 seconds. I'm going to talk about how much I spend on all different credit cards on American Express before I was invited to American Express Centurion card. Please stay tuned to watch the whole video so you can find out all that information. So a lot of you asked me this question: how much did I spend on American Express credit cards before I received the invite for American Express Centurion card? So here is the answer. I'm going to tell you all different credit cards and how much I spent on them, and what was the total amount that I ended up spending on all different credit cards. So I will start from 2021. 2021, I spent total $245,000 on American Express credit cards, and they were divided among three different credit cards that I had in 2021. Platinum card, 52,200, Hilton card, 81,370, and Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card, $110,725. Now, in 2020, I spent total was $624, and that was divided between Hilton, American Express Platinum, and also Marriott Bonvoy. I spent $110,000 on Hilton credit card. I spent $252,000 on American Express Platinum card, and that was personal version. I had business card as well. That is separate. I don't mix those. And then I spent $262,000 in Marriott Bonvoy in 2020. And the total was again $624,000. In 2019, I spent a total of $586,000. I spent $140,000 on Marriott Bonvoy credit card. I spent another $96,000 on Hilton Surpass card, and I spent $350,000 on American Express Platinum, and that was in 2019. A total of $586,000 were spent on American Express cards in 2019. In 2018, I spent $165,000 total amount on my American Express credit cards. $95,000 I spent on American Express Platinum card, and Marriott Bonvoy I spent $72,000 on Marriott Bonvoy credit card. Now, if I include all those together, if I add all those together, from 2018, 2019, 2020, and including 2021, before I was invited for the credit card, I spent $1,620,000 total in those 4 years. And in 2017, I didn't really spend that much money. I only had one credit card at that time, and that was Marriott. Actually, it was Amex SPG card, and I only spent the minimum that I needed to spend to get the bonus. I think I received 30,000 points for that. So a total of $1,620,000 was spent between 2018 to 2021 before I was invited. Now, my thoughts on this is that if you spend $250,000, you are not going to get the invite. Now, there might be other people who might get that. I don't know anyone who received an invite just by spending $250,000 in 1 year. You can go into Flyer Talk, you can go to all these different places, and they will all talk about how they have been spending $600,000, $700,000, but they're not getting the invite. I think the important thing is multiple years spending consistently very high amounts. So I think the fact that a lot of media and a lot of other YouTubers who actually are not actually member of Centurion, they're learning from other people, or they're reading Flyer Talk, and they're saying that you need $250,000 to apply for $250,000 minimum spend every year on American Express to get the invite. I think that amount is too low. So I spend 624,000 in 2022. 2020, and I spent $586,000 in 2019. So after spending 165,000 in 2018, I knew I was not going to get the invite in 2019 because it is still below 250,000 that everyone talked about. In 2019, I spent $586,000 on these three credit cards, but I still didn't get the invite in 2020 like I thought I would, because they want you to see if I'm going to consistently keep spending the money, or if it's just going to be 1 year. So in 2020, when I spent another $624,000, now they knew that 2 times I have spent $500,000. In 2019, I spent $500,000 or more, and then in 2020, I spent $500,000 or more. And in 2021, before I got the invite, I already spent $245,000 on my three credit cards. So I already did half of what I usually do in 2019, 2020, and 21. So if anything, what I think you need to be spending on American Express credit cards to actually get the American Express Centurion card personal version, I think you need to spend at least $500,000 every year for at least 2 years. That's at least my experience. And if I look at my 2021, I spent $245,000 before I got the invite, and it was less than half of the year. So if I was to continue to spend the same amount of money, I would have hit at least $500,000 in 2021 as well. So therefore, I think you need at least $500,000 on your personal credit cards, and it needs to be at least one credit card need to be platinum card. So that's why in 2020, I spent $350,000 on American Express Platinum card, and in 2020, I spent $250,000 on American Express Platinum card. So I spent $250,000 in 2019 and 2020 on American Express Platinum card. So I think that's really important. You have to spend a lot of money on American Express Platinum card. I did spend money on Hilton and Marriott Bonvoy, but Platinum needs to be the focus. You need to spend a lot of money on American Express Platinum card for you to actually be considered for Centurion. And I don't know anyone who received an invite to American Express Centurion card without actually having Platinum. So you must get Platinum card. If you are trying to get American Express Centurion card on the business version, you have to have American Express Business Platinum card. If you're trying to get American Express Centurion card personal version, you have to have at least American Express Platinum card and spend substantial amount on it. So that's what I had to do. This is what I spent. If you guys had any questions about it, please let me know. I will be making more videos about other things. Please also go check out my videos where I talk about the invite. So once I did get the invite, what was the process and how, what was the question they were asking me and how they helped me fill out the application. Please go watch that video. I also have another video where I'm unboxing my American Express Centurion card. Please let me know what you think about this video. And if you have any other question, please feel free to ask me. Like I made this video, I will be making another video to answer all of those other questions. Please subscribe and like this video, and also share with other people who might be interested in learning about American Express Centurion card and how you might be able to get an invite. I will be making another video where I'll be talking about what type of benefits I'm receiving, and it is so much more, there's so many more than what I thought it would be. So American Express Centurion card benefits are just so many benefits, and there's so much more than what I thought I would be receiving, because I read on Flyer Talk, I read different articles on it, a lot of YouTubers made videos on it, but it is so much more than what I thought it would be. And I will be making a video, I'll be going over all the benefits that I'm receiving from American Express Centurion card, And if you guys have any question related to that, please feel free to write a comment or send me a private message. Thank you very much.